Hi, I'm Eloïse, community builder and partnerships at lagrowthmachine, and I'll take you on a tour of the playground. So here you have the members that you can discover also with the keywords, for example, intents. You have here all the experts who are specialized in intent data, and also in the user map, you can connect with people around you. If you want to connect more with Joshua, you can follow him to be notified when he posts something on the playground, and also you can message him in a private way. Then you have on the playground the discussion part. Here you can share strategy, you can ask for help, anything you want. And you also have the option to build poll, to insert table. You can even upload videos or images, document, quote people. Just check out all the options and don't forget to add a tag to be discovered more easily by the members of the playground. Then you have events. So here all the events will be there and you can have more information about any event we organize with experts. Also, you have a lot of resources, tools and deals, videos, podcasts, guidance template. For example, guidance template are a lot of value that we built at lagrowthmachine, and tools and deals are good deals I built with partners, tooling, and you can just discover free promo code to test more easily the tools. Also, in the playground, you have contact an expert. So here, this is advisor that you can ask for help in a one-on-one way, and they are really here to help you and to support you in the achievement of your goals. And also, you have here the leaderboard. So here are ranked all the people who contribute the most in the playground. But gamification also go through badges. So you have a lot of badges to win and to collect. So check it out. It's really fun, and also you have different points to win to unlock content and experience. So everything is in the community guidelines and you have more detail there. Then, if you like the playground and you want to share the playground with anyone, you just have to click here, then invites. And here you can build your own referral link. You don't have to restrict to anyone, just maybe extend your maximum uses, and that's it. Save invite. Here, this is the link that you can share. And you can just click on the pencil, and here you have again your link ready to be shared, and you can create a lot of invite in simultaneous way. So I hope this tour is clear, and I can't wait to welcome you.